say Merry Christmas around our house and home. No, we don't say Happy Holiday or sing some pointless song. We honor Christ the Savior and His virgin birth. We wish goodwill and say it's still a little peace on earth. And we celebrate our Savior born in Bethlehem. God gave to us His only child, the sacrificial lamb. And though the world seems to forget what the season once had been, we say Merry Christmas, peace, goodwill unto all men. We say Merry Christmas from our house and